Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me.
Hitting publish is 7 products here on Etsy, and they're all called like vision board, whatever. So it just went live. Just kidding.
Hey guys, so I am super excited to say happy birthday to me. I am going to be unboxing some of the products from my new digital art collection. So the first thing that I'm going to show came from Zazzle, and I am going to be sharing where I got my items printed at, just because I've already talked about these sites before. So I have 7 products, and I'm going to be unboxing them as they come in. So the first thing that I got from Zazzle was my sticky notes and my notepad. So when you order from Zazzle, if you guys have seen a video before, you know that it comes with the picture cover on the front. So I'm just gonna peel that off. And here is the very first design. January is all about vision board, and then like vision, just holding the vision, fresh start, preparing for the new year. So she means business, okay? She has on her purple leopard suit with her accessories, and she's ready, okay? So that is the sticky notes. And hopefully when you guys see this video, there are still some items left. There is just a small quantity because this is a test run to see how this works out. But I wanted to do a full unboxing so you guys could see. And this is the notepad. So I'm just gonna pull this page off to reveal the notepad. Okay, so that is I believe it's a 5x7. Yeah, I believe it's a 5x7 notepad. And again, you have your girl there ready, and then you have places to write. As I go, I may not do the lines. I may just leave it as a blank canvas just with the image, because I know that these lines may not be big enough for someone to write. So as I go, trust and believe the products will get better. There might be updated versions, just depending on the feedback that I get from the people who are purchasing. And that'll just help me decide how to do things better. So of course, I ordered my stickers from Sticker Mule. And I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna take out the stickers. So I have lots of stickers here. So you have a chance to pick up one of the vision board stickers for the month of January. Each month I'll be adding new designs, so you do have a chance to purchase other designs from the different months. I really love February. I'll probably drop that right at the end of the month, so you have time to purchase it for Valentine's Day. But I'm really loving these stickers. Sticker Mule always has really great quality. Okay, so the last thing that I have from Vistaprint right now is my bookmarks. Okay, so Vistaprint, they came with like little paper around it and had like this on the front, and then it had another one in the back. So here is the front of the bookmark, and here is the back of the bookmark. It is really good quality. I'm not sure if I'm going to round the edges or not. I have not decided yet, but these are the bookmarks, and the color is amazing. It says hold the vision, and I really love it. So it came out really good, and I'm excited about this. So I do have some more products to unbox, but they have not arrived yet. But when they do, I'll do a live unboxing of that as well. All right, so I'm back with some more unboxing for the stationery products. Let me tell y'all, my first order got lost. It's been here since December, but nowhere to be found. So 3 of my products had to launch late, and I had to actually print the items at home, which I hated. But finally got 2 of the 3 that were lost. The other one should arrive sometime this week, but I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. I don't know which one this is first, but again, I ordered from Canva. So I'm just gonna take these out and put that to the side. Okay. Let me pull it out. So obviously these are the postcards. So they look really good. Really great quality. And then you put your stamp there. You can write something here. You can write something there. Write the address, write a little note, send it off to someone you love. So great quality for the postcards. So yeah, you guys can order that. And I'm not sure again if this is the prints or the greeting cards, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and we will see. Okay, so I'm assuming these are the prints, but something happened to this one, or this, yeah, something happened to that one. But I ordered 5, so I may have to reach out to them. So these are the 5x7 prints. Okay, so if you want to order that, you can. Really good quality here. It's just blank on the back side, but the quality is really good. Gonna have to figure out what happened here, because this was a rush reprint, and maybe this was still wet. So I have 4 good copies. So I'll change the quantity on my site, but here are the prints. So I'm sure the greeting cards will be here sometime this week. But again, everything looks nice and I'm pretty much satisfied. All right, y'all, so I finally got my last piece of my files, and it's the greeting cards. So I'm gonna take this out. And they didn't put the envelopes inside the bag, but here are the white envelopes that come with it. So I'll put that to the side. And this is actually the reprint. So I never got my initial order. So this is the reprint, and they come flat. And here is the greeting card. And it's very easy to fold. So that looks really good. It has my logo on the back. So very easy to fold once you get it. And then, of course, it comes with the card, with the envelope. And there you go. So that is the last product in my January vision board unboxing for my digital illustrations. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.